Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.1 question number 10. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 cm. How long is its each side? Here you see, pentagon means 5 sides and each side is equal like this. So this is side 1, this is side 2, side 3, side 4, side 4, this is side 5, right? That means the pentagon has 5 sides and all the sides are equal, right? Therefore, let us solve the problem. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 cm. How long is it each side? Suppose the length of each side is L, right? That means it was 5 sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Therefore, we can say that perimeter of a pentagon, sum of all the sides, that is L plus L plus L plus L plus L, that is 5L, right? Therefore, sum of all the sides is equal to 5L. Therefore, 5L L is equal to perimeter of the regular pentagon, right? 5L is equal to perimeter. 5L is equal to perimeter of the regular pentagon of the regular pentagon right? Here L is the length of each side of the regular pentagon, right? Therefore we can say that 5L L is equal to perimeter is 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter. Therefore we can say that L is equal to 100 by 5 centimeter, and that comes out to 5 to 20, 120 centimeter. Then we can say that the length of one side of the pentagon is 20 centimeter, right? Therefore, length of one side, of the pentagon, side of the pentagon is equal to 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. This is 20. Let us rub this one. That is 20 centimeter, right? Therefore, here you see the perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. How long is its each side? Therefore, we know that the sum of all the sides of a regular pentagon equal to perimeter of the regular pentagon, right? If we say that each side of the regular pentagon is L, and we know that in regular pentagon all the sides are equal. Therefore, if we say that the length of one side is L, therefore the total length is equal to 5L, and 5L equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, L equal to 100 by 5 centimeter or L equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore, we can say that length of one side of the regular pentagon is equal to 20 centimeter. This is the solution of question number 10.